Here is a quick demo of the product PlayZapp, integrated into a game Car Kicks developed by a pilot customer, PlayZapp Labs. The user launches the game and what you see is a splash screen and the start of the game, all purely stuff built by the game developer of PlayZapp Labs using Unity. While the game has multiple modes, the developer has integrated the PlayZapp plugin to enable the multiplayer mode, all within a single day's work. When the user selects multiplayer button, the PlayZapp magic begins. The users can see the PlayZapp screens with all their friends, those that have Car Kicks installed as well as other PlayZapp games. Can check out the leaderboards for the game and even play a quick game against auto-matched opponents. But Nathan, our user, wants to challenge Ravi, his friend, for a head-to-head game, and he clicks the challenge button next to him on the friend screen. Now let's see what's happening on Ravi's screen. Magically, a challenge bubble pops up on his screen, challenging him to a game of Car Kicks with Nathan. He accepts the challenge and clicks the bubble, and the Car Kicks launches on his mobile and takes him directly to a head-to-head match with Nathan. Just in time as Nathan is all set up for playing the game against Ravi. In just a few seconds, Nathan and Ravi are taken into the Car Kicks head-to-head game. All stuff that's developed by the game developers. Of course, with a little bit of help from the PlayZapp API. When Nathan makes his move, the PlayZapp API makes sure that it's reflected on Ravi's screen instantly and perfectly synchronized. Now it's Ravi's turn, and PlayZapp API does the same magic for him as well. PlayZapp's flexible API allows game developers to create any kind of real-time gameplay, whether it is head-to-head play or multiplayer, turn-based or synchronous gameplay. Here at Car Kicks, eventually Nathan scores a goal and wins the game. Nathan and Ravi are shown the game end screen, which they can share with their friends. PlayZapp also keeps score and ensures this is reflected in the leaderboards and other parts of the game. The game with Ravi has ended with a victory for Nathan. They then have a short chat, all from within the game. Ravi congratulates him on the win and Nathan asks if he wants to play another game. Ravi, however, suggests that they play some other time. There's more to the story. Nathan wants to play the car kick game with his friend Jack. He can see that Jack is a PlayZapp user but has not installed the car kicks game. Nathan clicks on the plus button to invite Jack to install the car kicks game. This time the magic challenge bubble pops up on Jack's mobile screen. Nathan is challenging him to a new game. It must be a great game. He clicks the bubble and it led to install it on the Play Store. Jack is now a new user of Car Kicks and ready to play with Nathan. PlayZapp also provides ready-to-use features for the game that allow the users to create and interact in their own groups, and also features to provide a public game forum for the game. Here Nathan creates his own group and adds his friends and sends out a message to them all. PlayZapp takes the multiplayer experience to the next level with different kind of tournaments. For example, a knockout tournament that users can create themselves, where up to 4 to 8 players play a tournament with winners playing against each other in the next round. And in under 20 minutes, we have a crowned champion. Other kind of tournaments include a popular league tournament model where thousands of players can play against each other with a percentage of top scorers surviving to the next round. In conclusion, PlayZapp is a great platform that helps game developers increase their revenues several times by enabling a variety of messaging, multiplayer, and tournament features with just a few hours of effort.